In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a newsletter, an email broadcast using Systeme.io. So you send an email to them within 2, 3, 4 days later, whenever it is you choose to schedule it. So what you want to do is you want to hover over emails, click on newsletters, then click on create. Now in this case, I'm going to choose the visual editor. The subject line is going to be blue announcement, and I'm going to make like a blue heart. Now I'm going to now click on save. Now, if you haven't seen my tutorial on visual editor for systeme.io, I'm just going to show you quickly how I do it. I basically delete the template that is here in the first place. I just don't use the template. I start from scratch. That's just how I personally do it. You can customize the template if you so choose, but I prefer not to. Then I hover over the green, I delete. Hover over the green, I delete. Hover over the green, I delete. Then I got a blank. Settings. Here I'm going to change the background color. I'm going to make the link color blue. And then I'm going to go back to settings. I'm going to drag the text in. I'm going to highlight it. I'm now going to make it align on the left. Choose the text Georgia. And I'm going to say, hey, choose replacement, first name. So this will be hey Joe, hey Bill, hey Mary, whatever the name is. I already prepared the email in advance. So this is the email. And I wrote, I've officially got confirmation for Blue CEO. For the discount code is now available. Please go to this link. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste this in here to make sure I got an actual link. Click here on the link. Paste this in. Click on save. Sign up for a free account. You'll be taken to a Stripe payment page. Enter the coupon code around 10. You'll receive a discount. You'll be locked for life. This pricing will increase over time or next year. Here's the details. Again, I'm going to copy this. Okay, so now I'm going to give you some extra content. Okay. Save changes. I'm happy with it. I'm going to now click on exit. I'm going to select all, and then I'm going to save and schedule newsletter. Click on schedule. I'm going to make it on 28th. I'm going to make it first time 6. Yeah, 6/5. That's good. Okay, click on apply, schedule, confirm. And now you will see this is officially scheduled. If I click on edit, you will notice that this newsletter will be sent at blah date. I can still edit it if I so choose, but it is scheduled to go out. And it seems that I can also change the little scheduling if I so choose. If it hasn't gone out, I can still change that. Also, I can click on this schedule button, the calendar, and actually change it a little bit. So let's say I want to do it at 6:24, let's just say. Click on apply, click on schedule. Notice that it says what time zone as well. Click on confirm. So you do have some flexibility on the scheduling as well, so just be aware of that. That's about it. That's how you schedule a newsletter in Systeme.io. Hope you got find value in this video. If you have any other questions about Systeme.io, feel free to leave a comment, and you can also request a tutorial if there's something else you want me to teach you for free on my YouTube channel. Thanks a lot for watching this tutorial. I really appreciate it. So if you have not used Systeme or haven't tested it out, you can actually create a free account. You're missing out big time. It is a great software, and all you gotta do is go to aranbukai.com/SIO. That will take you to the Systeme page. You enter your email, you create a free account, take it to a test drive, and when you feel confident, like you're ready to go and this is a good tool, the pricing is simply $27 a month, or you can also get $197 a year, which is pricing is not available on their website, but I have a special link for that if you want to take advantage of it. It's actually 10 times cheaper than the bigger competitors and so on, and it's a really good plan. So if you want to check it out, go to aranbukai.com/SIO and let me know once you had a bit of a look around. That's about it. If you have any other questions or tutorials that you'd like me to make on Systeme.io, definitely let me know. Leave a comment below. I will do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. And that's about it. Thanks, and I'll speak to you soon.